So now that we've mapped out a few steps and we've added our teammates, it's time to collaborate. So first click on the step to open up the sidebar, then click on the comment bubble, then add comment and type away. In this case, let's say I wanted to tag Michelle and say, can you film a Loom video on this? Now I have the option to determine if this is just a note, if this is a decision we've made regarding this step, if it's a specific pain point, if it's an idea or a question. This is an idea that I think we should add a Loom video. And now success, the comment has been created. Now let's take a look at what it looks like from that colleague's inbox. I just received an email that said, the colleague mentioned you in the specific puzzle workspace, and it tells me that I've been mentioned on this specific step with this specific note. So I can go ahead and view the comment, and it will land your colleague directly onto that step with the sidebar open. So now that I can see where this comment relates on this step, and in the larger context of what process this relates to, there's no room for misinterpretation about what this comment is asking on how we could make this process better. Now I have the ability to comment back, so I can say, sure thing, and save. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and mark that comment as resolved. In the meantime though, we can notice visually that if we look at the map, we can see if any of our steps or sections have comments on them by this comment bubble up here. So right now, this is a visual indication that there's something pending on this specific step, just from looking at it high level. I can also see the list of all of our active comments that haven't yet been resolved on this whole workspace by clicking out into the canvas to see all of my high-level sections and then clicking into this comments feature. At this moment, I can see that we have 2 comments that are unresolved, and I have the ability to quickly jump to step. This feature allows you to quickly and easily stay on top of all of your pending ideas or questions or pain points around all of the ways that your process could be made better for either you or your clients. So right from this high-level view, I can mark that comment as resolved, and I know that I'm going to go in here and add that Loom video right into this note section. Once it's resolved, you still have historical data of that information grayed out. So you have an active log of your continuous improvement initiatives, any questions that have been answered, etc. At Puzzle, we encourage all teammates to have autonomy and ownership and contribute any ideas that they have to the process. So whenever a quick idea comes into our mind of, hey, I think we could automate this process, or this is a new tool that maybe we should check out, or hey, I just ran into this pain point that I want to document, but I can't get to it right now, we immediately add it as a comment in Puzzle. It helps hold us accountable, and it allows us to collaborate and tap in the right person who might have some other information to share so that we as a team can continue making the process better. The puzzle map in general is a living, breathing document that encourages continuous improvement, and comments is one of those features that really takes it to the next level. What are you waiting for? Go add that comment about that pain point that's been on your mind and see for yourself just how good it feels to mark that comment resolved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.